Visual Studio Code for local development with Java. It would be all you need is these three files. Let's start with this one. This is just a oh man, this is what I want. Whatever, let's do this. So basically just a simple file. Imports the package, imports the machine abstract class, import. Just do one empty test, like literally just creating a new memory and assert that it's true. So just to drive basically the thing. Okay, so after that you need the JUnit. This jar file you can download from there. You search JUnit platform console standalone app, standalone, and then you click this, and then you get the repo with all the versions. So you choose 1.8.2, and then you click on the jar here. Okay. This is just to do the unit testing. Also, this is being provided to us by the structures. So let's extract it on the desktop and then open it with Visual Studio. There you go. I have already tried it earlier. Okay, so let's just I'm trying to start fresh for you guys so you know how to go around opening it. So it's desktop, and then you go to the file that we just extracted. All right. So first thing, get rid of it. Yeah, I won't get rid of this just because if you do it, then your project will not like be opened by IntelliJ. But for the sake of the demo, I'm just gonna get rid of it. Now, what you want to do, you want to take this arc, hover over it, and take it out here. You see how the whole thing is highlighted now? We take it out. Basically, now it's in the root. All right. Source is empty. Now what you need to do, create a folder called lib. This lib will have the jar files because I'll show you what this will do. So as soon as you click on the Java file, the whole extension for Java gets activated. You see here under the references, we don't see any library. vscode did not recognize them yet until they're inside lib. So I'm just gonna move everything in there, these ones, and you'll see how it will show up here. You see, so this is our file. What does this mean? This means now this will be recognized. There's no more squiggly lines. Now this is good. Now let's drag and drop this one into the package itself. So as you can see, this is just for us to drive the development. So you see squiggly bar under JUnit. That means it just can't find this library that I'm referencing. So I need that library to be referenced here. So there's two ways. There are two ways. Whether you add it through this and just browse to this file, the JUnit file, or you can just have this and drag and drop it in the lib. Now, this is better just because if you move the folder somewhere else, you're good. You have that stuff with you, within the project. So now the squiggly bar is gone. This is just because it's not used. Yeah, I think I didn't use that. It's never used. That's what. Now, these appears. This is just to run the test. There you go. So my test is passed. Let's see. And change it to false. Of course, it's gonna fail. Shows you where it failed. Good. So this is how it works. I want to show you how you can actually start debugging instead of just running. So in your test, this is how I test things. You should write the test first, like what we did in in 110, just write the tests and then sort of start developing from there. So if you click this is how you're allowed to, this will allow you to step through the code. So press this, then I'll stop at the new memory. I can just actually just do m, and then is aligned, I guess. Yes, is aligned, and then just gonna do 0 0 for now, right? I'm gonna stop it and just have fresh one. So I think it just comes as a test here. I don't know if this is something you have to download or is it just comes with Java, but just appeared for me. Oh, again. Just stop it first, then this. Now we stopped here. I'm just gonna go to the next one, and then you step in, and this is how you're gonna test this. You're just gonna pass certain values in your test and kind of like start designing it and see how it is. All right. I hope this helps.